The best teacher motivational story. Once upon a time, there was a teacher who was very honest, dedicated and hardworking. He was always a favorite teacher of every student he would teach. Once in the morning when the students were all together for period called assembly, where national anthem is also recited by students, a teacher among the staff observed that some students are wearing informal dress. They were pointed out and punished hardly. A few days later those students have, once again, been noticed in dress against the formal dress of the school. The teacher once again got angry and told them to come out the moment he was going to punish the students. A teacher among the staff came forward and stopped his colleague from punishing students. He separated those students and asked them if they are purposely disobeying the teacher by not bringing the formal dress or they facing some financial hardships and cannot afford to buy formal dress for school. Upon inquiry, what came forward was astonishing. Those students were very poor and could not afford to buy a pair of clothes for themselves. It brought tears in the eyes of the teacher and embraced them and said, "Don't worry, I will arrange clothes and shoes for all of you." Then he started from his own and entire staff contributed in the good deed of arranging clothes and shoes for the poor students. Since then all the teachers regularly contribute and have created fund, from which all the expenses of poor students are borne by this method. Moral: do not judge a book by its cover.